Hey guys, if you want to know how you can pay Shopify plan with debit card, then that's exactly what we're going to show you in this video. At first, head over to your Shopify store. After that, at the bottom left, you're going to see this option called settings. What you have to do is click on that. And then once it loads, you're going to see two options. The third one is billing and the fifth one is payments. Now, you can either go to billing and then the first option that you see, add payment method, you can click on that one. And then you see this option called credit card. So click on that and then go to PayPal. After that, it's gonna show add or pay with PayPal. So click on this one. And then once you put your Gmail and all the other necessary information, you can easily add your debit card. Or you could just head back into the fifth options, which is payments, and then the second option that you see, add payments method, click on this one. Now you're going to see two options. If you click on the first one, search by payment methods, you're going to see all the card options that they're there. Just choose whatever debit card you have, or you could also go to search by provider and see if your debit card option is there, and once you add it, you can easily pay your Shopify plan with your debit card. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and if this video provided some value to you, then make sure to leave a subscribe.